फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूँ आप सबका प्यारा डोरेमोन। डोरे किड्स एजुकेशन एंड फन। A for apple. Wow. Be strong and healthy. B for ball. Playing games and win. C for cat. Cat is a pet animal. D for dog. Dog is a pet animal. E for elephant. Wow, so big. Elephant is the largest animal. F for fish. Wow. Fish is the queen of water. G for girl. She is a so beautiful girl. Or horse. Yay! Wow! Yay! Horse is a domestic animal. It runs very fast. I for ice cream. Wow, cool, sweet and creamy. G for joker. Joker is a funny man. He entertains everyone with his fun art. K for kite. Wow! Kite is a paper toy. It flies very high in the sky. L for lion. Lion is a wild animal. Lion is a king of the forest. M for monkey. Yay! Monkey like to eat bananas. And for nest. Nest is the home of birds. O for owl. Wow! Owl is a wild bird. It is a small bird. P for parrot. Parrot is a beautiful bird. Parrot speaks like humming voice. Q for queen. Wow, beautiful queen. R for rabbit. Rabbit is a pet animal. It likes to eat carrot. S for sun. big ball of fire. It gives us heat. T for tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. It lives in jungle. U for umbrella. Umbrella is very useful thing. It used in summer and in the rainy season. V for van. Van is a four-wheeled vehicle. W for watch. Watch shows time. We use it every day. X for Xmas tree. Wow! Beautiful Christmas festival. Y for yak. Yak are very big animal. Z for zebra. Zebra is a wild animal. They are white and black colors. Thanks for watching.